Are you feeling overwhelmed trying to clean your home? Or maybe you're recovering from a concussion or another injury. Or maybe your energy is just low and keeping up with everything feels like a huge task. I totally get it. But today I'm going to share an important task that you can accomplish in less than 3 minutes that will make you feel like you're being productive without putting a lot of pressure on yourself. Disinfecting high-touch areas like doorknobs or light switches not only helps to keep you and your family healthy this cold and flu season, but it's an important task that isn't overwhelming. Everybody knows it's important to wash our hands after we use the restroom, if we cough, even if you cough into your elbow, if you blow your nose, also when you get home from shopping or doing whatever out in the world. But hand washing can only do so much. We touch so many surfaces throughout the day without even realizing it. And we bring a lot of germs home with us on cans and boxes from the grocery store, and they get transferred to our doorknobs and our light switches, which are what we call high touch areas. And during cold and flu season, these germs can live on some of these surfaces for hours, if not days. Disinfecting these areas around your home is one of the easiest ways to prevent the spread of viruses, helping you and your family stay healthy. And here's the kicker. You only need a minute or two to make a huge impact. Plus, doing small tasks like this can give you a sense of accomplishment, which gives you a hit of dopamine, which can really help your mental health. I say this from experience. So here's how I do it. I grab a disposable disinfectant cloth, and I've got some name brand, I've got some from the dollar store, I've got homemade ones that I'm going to share the recipe for at the end. And I just grab a cloth and head for the light switches. We touch these all the time, and they are one of the most germy surfaces in our house. Just give them a good wipe, making sure that you cover the whole surface. This is not a cleaning expedition. You don't have to scrub, you don't have to get in the creases. You're just wiping it down to kill the germs. And then moving on to the next one. And then moving on to the next one. It takes me literally a minute to do my entire condo, and it takes me less than 3 minutes to do my parents' entire home. I disinfect a different area every day right before I hop in the shower so that I can rinse off the chemical-y smell from my hands. Monday, I do my light switches. Tuesday, I do doorknobs and locks, both the inside and the outside of my house. Wednesdays, I do faucets and toilet handles. Since I'm in the bathroom anyway, wiping down the faucet, I give the toilet handle a wipe down also. And make sure you do it in that order. Faucets, then toilet handle, then garbage. Thursdays, I wipe down my cell phone, my keyboard, and my mouse. And then Friday, I move into the kitchen and I wipe down all of the cupboard handles. And if I'm feeling adventurous, I will wipe down the handles on my appliances, unless I'm running late or feeling done. That's a routine that works for me. You can switch it up and do what works for you. I don't have a television. I don't have gaming system, so remote controls are not in my home. But if you've got them in your home, you do you, boo. Maybe you'll say, I can't be bothered with the kitchen. On Fridays, I'm going to do my remotes instead. Whatever works for you is the best thing for you. This can be quick, easy, effective. It's a small task, but it can make a huge difference to the health and wellness of your family. Now, as you know, I am a big supporter of use what you need to make the job as easy as possible. If you are not feeling up to a lot of tasks and you need to use paper plates instead of washing your dishes or loading your dishwasher, that's okay. You need to eat, and if cleanup is too difficult, let's find ways to make it easier. So disposable cleaning cloths are awesome. I use them around my house. I use them in my car. I also have reusable cloths that I made at home, a little DIY project. So use the best tools for you, and if making your own cleaning cloths are not something that you could do right now, that's okay. But if you're looking for a fun little project and a way to use up some of the old t-shirts or rags or tea towels you've got around your house, this is the project for you. These guys are eco-friendly, they are cost-effective, and once you've got it made, they're just as quick as the disposable kind. I got my recipe from HGTV, and I will link their article below, but there are a ton of options online. If you do a quick Google search for reusable disinfecting cloths, you'll find tons. I have a special bin for my tea towels, my reusable disinfectant cloths, and my reusable paper towels. That's in my laundry room. They go in there when they're dirty, and then they all just get washed together. It makes things a little bit easier for me. To make your own reusable cloths, all you need is a cup of water, a tablespoon of dish soap, a quarter cup of rubbing alcohol, a half a cup of white vinegar, and the smell dissipates. So your home is not going to smell like vinegar, don't worry. If you do want your home to smell like something, you can add 10 to 15 drops of essential oil to the mixture. This is optional, but if you want to add a gentle scent to your space, this is a nice option. I'll link to my favorite fall scents below. I like to switch it up with the seasons, and my home smells great. And then you're going to need some old t-shirts or old cleaning cloths that you're going to put into the mixture and let it soak. The instructions that I found online said to wring out the cloths. I personally store them in the liquid because then I can add more cloths as I go, clean cloths. Once you take them out, they need to go into the laundry, but I just kind of top it up as I go rather than making a fresh batch each time. You can use a cute jar, something that can sit on your kitchen and bathroom countertops. You can use an old mason jar, something that's easy to shake up, and then you keep it in a cupboard. Use whatever you've got on hand. And that's all there is to it. You've got easy, reusable disinfectant cloths ready for your next 3-minute cleaning spree. It's a great way to avoid disposable wipes and feeling good about reducing waste. But no guilt. If you need the disposable wipes, use them. That's why they're in every grocery store, dollar store, convenience store. They're everywhere. Use what you need. And if you're not up to cleaning your home the way you normally would, that is completely okay. Every little bit helps, and hopefully this inspires you to do a little task and makes you feel a little better. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below, tag a friend, all the things that help us here on YouTube. Happy cleaning, and remember that you are not alone in your concussion.